The time right now, it is 4:13 on this Tuesday morning. We hope that your day is off to a wonderful start.
It's still cold, isn't it?
Yes, but it's quiet out here, at least here in Syracuse on the weather deck.
That is true. Stan Leskovich, live downtown Syracuse. We showed you a little thing on radar. I wonder if that's even doing anything. If whatever that little thing is, which we'll show you in a second, is extremely, extremely light.
Okay.
Now, temperatures are in the 20s right now. You can feel that kind of real dense cold air. We are going to get into the 40s today.
Oh, good.
So most of the precipitation is actually going to be rain, and that will do some melting of the snow that we have here, but we only have a few hours worth of this melting, Lisa, because once we get into tonight, temperature's going to start getting colder. That wind, remember that wind we had this weekend and yesterday?
Yes,
and it's going to come
biting
back
on Sunday.
And I actually think there's going to be more lake effect snow from this event than there was in the last event. And that has us concerned a little bit, at least me, in terms of accumulation and blowing and drifting of snow. So let's talk about it. First things first, though, we got to take each day period. So let's talk about today first before we get ahead of ourselves. There are these tiny, tiny little precipitation bits on radar. You know, maybe there's a little flurry or a little tiny sleet that's coming through central New York. I wouldn't really get too upset about what you see here on the radar. If it's even falling to the ground, it's extremely minor and a non-starter. We're still in the 20s across the immediate central New York area, but already 31 in Lansing at the airport in Ithaca. There's some rain already pushing into southwestern New York, and you'll see this a little bit better as I zoom out. This is the rain that should start. It's a pretty solid area of rain, too. It's approaching Buffalo. I think this should start to get closer to central New York around or after 10 a.m. And you'll notice that on the radar pushing in. Now, most of us, it'll be rain. There will be the extreme highest elevations and opportunity for some snow to mix in with the best chance of the most snow. You can see a little bit in here over the higher elevations of south central and north central New York. High temperatures today in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Now, I am a little concerned as a cold front comes through at between 5 and 7 o'clock, depending on the exact temperature, or at least right after the front goes through, that there may be a quick little squall that may produce a quick coating to an inch. Just be aware of that, especially over higher terrain, for a little bit of quick snow squall there just with the front going through. Then after that, it's a west-southwest flow. Notice that tonight, most of the Lake Ontario snow is going to be east of Lake Ontario, although there will be snow showers and flurries coming in off of Lake Erie. I do want to show you that the squalls will spend a lot of time east of the lake and start moving south towards Syracuse by Wednesday evening. Now, this is just a preliminary forecast for snow by 7 p.m. There's going to be more snow than this past 7 p.m., but all snow through 7 p.m. Wednesday looks like this: 1 to 3 inches for most of central New York. There may be a little spot here in southern Cuyahoga County and near southwestern Onondaga County, 3 to 6. Notice a large area of 6 to 12 and then 1 to 2 feet of snow. I will let you know that Wednesday night there's likely to be a broad area like in here and even up north where there'll probably be an additional several inches of snow, and there will be even a little more snow on Thursday. So get set. There's obviously snow in the forecast. And just to show you a quick look at temps here, pretty cold. That's not factoring the wind chills Wednesday and Thursday. Back inside.